Call for action now. If you or someone you know is having trouble with a landlord-tenant issue, listen up.
Help is available. Karen Stiles of our Call for Action office live in the newsroom right now.
And Karen, what are some of the most common complaints?
Well, the most common complaints are from people turned down in the application process, repairs not being made, evictions, and security deposits not being returned.
So what can people do if they run into these or other problems?
The most important thing is to know your rights and the rights of the landlord. You need to know this while you're shopping for a rental unit and before you move in. The Wisconsin Department of Consumer Protection has some great information about landlord-tenant rights on their website, as does the Tenant Resource Center, a nonprofit organization located in Madison. There are also a number of other state and local resources, including the Fair Housing Council, building inspectors, Department of Neighborhood Services, and our Call for Action office. We have links for these resources in the Call for Action section of today's TMJ4.com.
And the big question, if you cannot get a landlord to work with you, can you withhold your rent payment?
Although this may seem like an attractive option, you really need to be careful. Failure to pay rent could result in eviction. If the problem persists or becomes dangerous, it might be best to seek legal advice from a qualified attorney or government agency that deals with landlord-tenant issues. Katie and Steve?
All right, Karen, thanks. Have a consumer problem, need some help? The Call for Action team is there for you. The number 414-967-5495. You can get help through the homepage, also at TMJ4.com.